Please, Swati, please come on the stage.
My name is Swati and I am going to tell you about 250 sentences belonging to 10. Raman chose a challenge. Raman doesn't chose a challenge. Does Raman throw a challenge? Why does Raman throw a challenge? Why doesn't Raman throw a challenge? Raman is throwing a challenge. Raman isn't throwing a challenge. Is Raman throwing a challenge? Why is Raman throwing a challenge? Why isn't Raman throwing a challenge? Raman has thrown a challenge. Raman hasn't thrown a challenge. Has Raman thrown a challenge? Why has Raman thrown a challenge? Why hasn't Raman thrown a challenge? Raman has been throwing a challenge since morning. Raman hasn't been throwing a challenge since morning. Has Raman been throwing a challenge since morning? Why has Raman been throwing a challenge since morning? Why hasn't Raman been throwing a challenge since morning? Raman threw a challenge. Raman didn't throw a challenge. Did Raman throw a challenge? Why did Raman throw a challenge? Why didn't Raman throw a challenge? Raman was throwing a challenge. Raman wasn't throwing a challenge. Was Raman throwing a challenge? Why was Raman throwing a challenge? Why wasn't Raman throwing a challenge? Raman had thrown a challenge. Raman hadn't thrown a challenge. Had Raman thrown a challenge? Why had Raman thrown a challenge? Why hadn't Raman thrown a challenge? Raman had been throwing a challenge this morning. Raman hadn't been throwing a challenge this morning. Had Raman been throwing a challenge this morning? Why had Raman been throwing a challenge this morning? Why hadn't Raman been throwing a challenge this morning? Raman been throwing a challenge. Throw a challenge. Raman wants to throw a challenge. Will Raman throw a challenge? Why will Raman throw a challenge? Why won't Raman throw a challenge? Raman will be throwing a challenge. Raman won't be throwing a challenge. Will Raman be throwing a challenge? Why will Raman be throwing a challenge? Why won't Raman be throwing a challenge? Raman will have thrown a challenge. Raman will have thrown a challenge. Will Raman have thrown a challenge? Why will Raman have thrown a challenge? Why won't Raman have thrown a challenge? Raman will have throwing a challenge this morning. Raman won't have been throwing a challenge this morning. Will Raman have been throwing a challenge this morning? Why will Raman been throwing a challenge this morning? Why won't Raman have been throwing a challenge this morning? Now, I am going to narrate a story of a burglar. There was a burglar who accumulated a lot of wealth. One day he went to a hermit and inquired, I am unable to reach the happiness. I am unhappy. Please help me. hermitage asked him to go on foot to the floor to carry all three heavy stones. But Bargala said him, I am unable to go on the slope with three heavy stones. The hermit said to him, you can drop it, one of them. But after covering sort of distance, but after some time, the burglar said to him, I can't do this. I can't do it. The hermit said to him, you can drop it, one of them. But it was tough to go with one stone. Then he also dropped one. Now it is easy to move forward without any difficulty. The hermit said, as you couldn't move in your life, as you couldn't move on the slope with heavy stones, how can you go in your life without any difficulty and great weight of sense right or wrong? Thank you.
And now is the turn of singing, so please come on the stage.
Hari creates a scene on the road. Hari doesn't create a scene on the road. Does Hari create a scene on the road? Why does Hari create a scene on the road? Why doesn't Hari create a scene on the road? Hari is creating a scene on the road. Hari isn't creating a scene on the road. Is Hari creating a scene on the road? Why is Hari creating a scene on the road? Why isn't Hari creating a scene on the road? Hari have created a scene on the road. Hari haven't created. Hari has created a scene on the road. Hari hasn't created a scene on the road. Has Hari created a scene on the road? Why has Hari created a scene on the road? Why hasn't Hari created a scene on the road? Hari has been creating a scene on the road since morning. Hari hasn't been creating a road on the road since morning. Has Hari been creating a road on the? Has Hari been creating a scene on the road since morning? Why has Hari been creating a road on the road since morning? Why hasn't Hari been creating a scene on the road since morning? Hari created a scene on the road. Hari didn't create a scene on the road. Did Hari create a scene on the road? Why did Hari create a scene on the road? Why didn't Hari create a scene on the road? Hari was creating a scene on the road. Hari wasn't creating a scene on the road. Was Hari creating a scene on the road? Why was Hari creating a scene on the road? Why wasn't Hari creating a scene on the road? Hari had created a scene on the road. Hari hadn't Hari will have created a scene on the road. Hari won't have created a scene on the road. Will Hari have created a scene on the road? Why will Hari have created a scene on the road? Why won't Hari have created a scene on the road? Hari will have been creating a scene on the road since morning. Hari won't have been creating a scene on the road since morning. Will Hari have been creating a scene on the road since morning? Why will Hari have been creating a scene on the road since morning? Why won't Hari have been creating a scene on the road since morning? Now I am telling about slogans. If you want to be extraordinary, just be ordinary. Winner is not the person who wins the prize, but the person who offers himself for the endless fight. Every decision of the supreme creator of the world must be accepted or respected. Good teachers don't teach by books, they teach by heart. If our intention is right, everything is right. If our intention is wrong, everything is wrong. Life is a tragedy for those who believe in thinking. Life is a comedy for those who believe in doing. Be happy and have so many friends. Become gloomy and lose all of them. Become gloomy and lose all of them. If you have a sense of comedy, they all will find you. If you have a sense of tragedy, they all will turn, remaining very few. They would get full measure of your pleasure, but they need not to have your woe and displeasure. There is none who would decline your declared wife, but none of them would like to take life's goal remain of mine. As a matter of fact, this is the life. Thank you.
And now is the turn of Ashish, so please come on the stage. Good evening, friends. Now I am going to tell some slogans. Number one, what is the meaning of life? Life is a tragedy for those who believe in thinking. Life is a comedy for those who believe in doing. Become gloomy and lose all of them. Become happy and have so many friends. If you have sense of tragedy, they all will turn remaining very few. If you have sense of comedy, they all will find you. But there is none who would decline your nectar wine, but there is none who would take life's goal that would be remained of mine. If you want to be an extraordinary, just be ordinary. Good teachers don't teach by books, they teach by heart. Our goal might be out of our sight, our goal might be out of our reach, our goal might be out of our grip, but it must not be out of our mind that we can achieve it. If your intention is right, everything is right. If your intention is wrong, everything is wrong. Every decision of the Supreme Creator must be respected and accepted. It's not only aptitude but attitude which determines your attitude. How can you win if you don't begin? Winner is not the person who wins the prize, but the person who offers himself for the endless fight. Divide love and rule over the world. Thank you. And now is the turn of Shivani, so please come on the stage. Mohan is speaking the truth. Mohan doesn't speak the truth. Does Mohan speak the truth? Why does Mohan speak the truth? Why doesn't Mohan speak the truth? Mohan is speaking the truth. Mohan isn't speaking the truth. Is Mohan speaking the truth? Why is Mohan speaking the truth? Why isn't Mohan speaking the truth? Mohan has spoken the truth. Mohan has speaking the truth. Spoken the truth. Has Mohan spoken the truth? Why has Mohan spoken the truth? Why hasn't Mohan spoken the truth? Mohan has been speaking the truth since morning. Mohan hasn't
Mohan speak the truth. Mohan didn't speak the truth. Did Mohan speak the truth? Why did Mohan speak the truth? Why didn't Mohan speak the truth? Mohan was speaking the truth. Mohan wasn't speaking the truth. Was Mohan speaking the truth? Why was Mohan speaking the truth? Why wasn't Mohan speaking the truth? Mohan had spoken the truth. Mohan hadn't spoken the truth. Had Mohan spoken the truth? Why had Mohan spoken the truth? Why hadn't Mohan spoken the truth? Mohan had been speaking the truth since morning. Mohan hadn't been speaking the truth since morning. Had Mohan been speaking the truth since morning? Why hadn't been speaking the truth since morning? Mohan will speak the truth. Mohan won't speak the truth. Will Mohan speak the truth? Why will Mohan speak the truth? Why won't Mohan speak the truth? Mohan will be speaking the truth. Mohan won't be speaking the truth. Will Mohan be speak the truth? Why will Mohan speak the truth? Why won't Mohan be speaking the truth? Mohan had been speaking the truth. Spoken the truth. Mohan hadn't been spoken the truth. Mohan has Mohan been speaking the truth. Mohan will have speaking the truth. Spoken the truth. Mohan will want to have spoken the truth. Will Mohan spoken the truth? Why will Mohan spoken? Why will Mohan have spoken the truth? Why won't Mohan spoken the truth? Mohan will have been speaking the truth in morning. Mohan won't have been speaking the truth in morning. Will Mohan have been speaking the truth in morning? Why will Mohan have this morning? Why will Mohan speaking the truth in morning? Why won't Mohan speaking the truth in morning?
I would like to invite Dipti Sobhista Monastir.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening, everybody. 16 sentences long.
Start करो.
Gita takes ion. Gita doesn't take ion. Does Gita take ion? Why does Gita take ion? Why doesn't Gita take ion? Why doesn't Gita take ion? Gita is taken ion. Gita is taken ion. Gita, why is Gita taken ion? Why isn't Gita taken ion? Gita has taken ion. Gita hasn't taken ion. Has Gita taken ion? Why has Gita taken ion? Why hasn't Gita taken ion? Gita has been taken ion since morning. Gita hasn't been taken ion since morning. Why morning? Why hasn't Geeta been taken iron since morning? Geeta took us iron. Geeta didn't take iron. Geeta did Geeta take an iron? Why did Geeta take an iron? Why didn't Geeta take an iron? Geeta was taken iron. Geeta wasn't taken iron. Why was Geeta taken iron? Why was Geeta taken iron? Why wasn't Geeta taken iron? Geeta had taken iron. Why Geeta had taken iron? Geeta hadn't taken iron. Had Geeta taken iron? Why had Geeta taken iron? Why hadn't Geeta taken iron? Geeta had been taken iron since morning. Geeta hadn't taken out. Geeta hadn't been taken iron since morning. Why had Geeta been taken iron since morning? Why hadn't Geeta been taken iron since morning? Geeta will take iron. Geeta won't take an iron. Will Geeta take an iron? Why will Geeta take an iron? Why won't Geeta take an iron? Geeta will be taken iron. Geeta won't be taken iron. Why will Geeta take an iron? Will Geeta take an iron? Why will Geeta take an iron? Why won't Geeta take an iron? Geeta will be taken iron. Will Geeta won't be taken iron? Will Geeta be taken iron? Geeta, why Geeta means? Why will Geeta be taken iron? Why won't Geeta be taken iron? Geeta will be taken iron. Geeta won't have taken iron. Will Geeta have taken iron? Why won't Geeta have taken iron? Geeta will have been taken iron since morning. Geeta won't have been taken iron since morning. Will Geeta have been taken iron since morning? Why won't Geeta have been taken iron since morning? Why won't Geeta have been taken iron since morning? Thank you.
I would like to invite Mr. Smith to please come on the stage.
Good evening. Hari pelts a stone on the wall. Hari doesn't pelt a stone on the wall. Does Hari pelt a stone on the wall? Why does Hari pelt a stone on the wall? Why doesn't Hari pelt a stone on the wall? Hari is pelting a stone on the wall. Hari isn't pelting a stone on the wall. Is Hari pelting a stone on the wall? Why is Hari pelting a stone on the wall? Why isn't Hari pelting a stone on the wall? Hari has pelted a stone on the wall. Hari hasn't pelted a stone on the wall. Has Hari pelted a stone on the wall? Why has Hari pelted a stone on the wall? Why hasn't Hari pelted a stone on the wall? Hari has been pelting a stone on the wall since morning. Hari hasn't been pelting a stone on the wall since morning. Has Hari been pelting a stone on the wall since morning? Why hasn't Hari been pelting a stone on the wall since morning? Hari pelted a stone on the wall. Hari didn't pelt a stone on the wall. Did Hari paint a stone on the wall? Why did Hari paint a stone on the wall? Why didn't Hari paint a stone on the wall? Hari was painting a stone on the wall. Hari wasn't painting a stone on the wall. Why was Hari painting a stone on the wall? Why was Hari painting a stone on the wall? Why wasn't Hari painting a stone on the wall? Hari had painted a stone on the wall. Hari hadn't painted a stone on the wall. Had Hari painted a stone on the wall? Why had Hari painted a stone on the wall? Why hadn't Hari painted a stone on the wall? Hari had been painting a stone on the wall. Hari hadn't been painting a stone on the wall since morning. Why had Hari been painting a stone on the wall since morning? Why hadn't Hari painting a stone on the wall since morning? Why hadn't Hari been painting a stone on the wall? Hari will paint a stone on the wall. Hari won't paint a stone on the wall. Will Hari paint a stone on the wall? Why will Hari paint a stone on the wall? Why won't Hari paint a stone on the wall? Hari will be painting a stone on the wall. Hari isn't painting a stone on the wall. Is Hari painting a stone on the wall? Why is Hari painting? Why? Hari will be painting a stone on the wall. Hari won't be painting a stone on the wall. Will Hari be painting a stone on the wall? Why will Hari be painting a stone on the wall? Why won't Hari be painting a stone on the wall? Hari will have painted a stone on the wall. Hari won't have painted a stone on the wall. Will Hari have painted a stone on the wall? Why will Hari have painted a stone on the wall? Why won't Hari have painted a stone on the wall? Hari will have been painting a stone on the wall since morning. Hari won't have been painting a stone on the wall since morning. Will Hari have been painting a stone on the wall since morning? Why will Hari be painting a stone on the wall since morning? Why won't Hari have been painting a stone on the wall? Thank you.
I would like to invite Ms. Kalta to please come on the stage.
Good evening, everybody. If our intention is right, everything is right. If our intention is wrong, everything is wrong. Good teachers don't teach by books, they teach by heart. If you want to be an astronaut, just be ordinary. Just be ordinary. Who you can when if you don't be. Thanks.
I would like to invite Sagar and Asir. So please come on the stage. Good evening, friends. Today